So we were solving the problems on finding the inverse of the Laplace transforms. So from S domain, we are supposed to come back to that's a T. Okay, so now the next question is f of s is equal to s plus 5 divided by s square minus 6s plus 13. Okay, yeah, please try to solve this. So the best idea what I can think of is to complete a square. So I can see that s square minus 6s. So if at all I have say I have 9 over here, then that becomes a perfect square, right? So I'll try to write it in this way now. So this is s plus 5 divided by, so you see this will be a perfect square, s square minus 6s plus 9, I guess. So if I remove 9 from that, I am left out with 4, right? So this is a square, a minus b whole square, correct? A square plus b square minus 2ab, right? So I'll try to write this as say s plus 5 divided by, this is s minus 3 whole square plus how much is that? It's a 4. I can write it as a 2 square. So I can see that s minus a whole square plus some b square in the denominator. So it's actually, I have to understand that there is a shifting that has happened, correct? So this means I should be able to write like this. You see, this is s minus 3. I want a minus 3 over there. To compensate the minus 3, I'll add a plus 3 to that. So plus the 3 plus 5 becomes 8, correct? So you see, it is 8 minus 3. So totally this divided by, this is s minus 3. All right, s minus 3 the whole square plus 2 square. Now you split, right? So now you can split it as s minus 3 divided by s minus 3 the whole square plus 2 square first term plus 8 divided by s minus 3 the whole square plus 2 square. Are you okay? Now will you be able to take the inverse now, because it is in the standard form? Please try that. So as you can see, we apply the uh, shifting in S domain. That's the property. Okay, so simply we will use will whatever is there, s minus a by s minus a whole square. The a looks like 3 form. Okay, so because of which now we are writing e to the 3t into the s by s square plus a square is cos. Similarly, 8 is there. I'll split that 4 into 2. So the 4 goes out, s minus 3. So there is e to the 3t. So a by s square plus a square is sine 2. So like that, we have written uh, this answer. Is it okay? Sure. All right, moving to the next question. F of s is equal to s plus 2 divided by s plus 1 power 4. Please try this. So in this case, what we do, we'll try to start in that fashion and see what happens. Okay, so I'll try to write this as this is equal to, so there is a s plus 1, okay, plus 1 divided by, you see, s plus 1 the whole raised to the power 4. I can see that s plus a over there, correct? Right? S plus a, s plus a is same. So it's once again the same thing, right? So if at all I want to find f of t, I'm supposed to find the Laplace inverse of this whole function, s plus 1 divided by the s plus 1 to the power 4, which can be reduced now. See, s plus 1 is because of e to the power minus t, correct? The s plus 1 comes into picture because of I have a e to the minus t, correct? E to the minus 1t. The a value is minus 1. Okay, into remaining part. Take out the s plus 1, replace the s plus 1 simply as s. Okay, so that's my answer. So anyway, I need to solve this. It's not over. So what I do, I'll write a L here. So that means into Laplace inverse of, simply this is s plus 1 by s to the power 4. Are you okay? When this e to the minus t goes inside, every s gets replaced by s minus 1, correct? S plus 1, sorry. Now I'm doing the opposite of that. So that's why I'll take the e to the minus t out. And now I am supposed to simply do the L inverse of s plus 1 by s to the power 4. Okay, so that is equal to e to the minus t into L inverse of, I'll split that. L inverse of first term is 1 by s cube, correct? Plus Laplace inverse of 1 by s to the power 4. Yeah, individually calculate and then try to give me an answer. E to the power, how the e to the power comes inside? Okay, let me write the answer. Let's see. So this term, e to the minus t, I can write here. E to the minus t this, okay, into, what is 1 by s cube's inverse? It's t to the power n, right? So t to the power 1 less than that. So this is t square by 2 factorial, correct? Plus s to the power 4. So here we have t cube divided by 3 factorial. So we have e to the minus t. So this is t squared by 2 plus t cube divided by 6. Okay, so that's the answer. Let's proceed further. This is the next question. F of s is equal to 2s minus 1 divided by s squared plus 4s plus 29. Yeah, I'll write the answer over here, then we'll move to the next one. Okay, so f of s is this. The f of t is equal to e to the minus 2t into, this is 2 cos phi t minus sine phi t. Okay, so this is the answer. Let's move further. Right. This is the next question. That is e f of s. F of s is equal to e to the minus 4s divided by s minus 4 the whole square. So let's start from this case, right? I want to find only the L inverse of 1 divided by s minus 4 squared. Let me assume. Okay, so what I do, the s minus a, if you have, it becomes e to the power 80, correct? So e to the 4t into the Laplace inverse of 1 by the s minus 4, we place it as s square. What is that? What is the answer? It's right. So it now right now that this is going to be 4 sorry, e to the power 4t into t, right? Okay, now that is the L inverse of only that function. If you have e to the power minus 4, therefore the Laplace inverse of e to the power minus 4s divided by s minus 4 the whole, right, it is e to the power 4 times t minus 4. Every t is t minus 4, okay, into t minus 4 into u of t minus 4 is the required answer. Is it okay? All right, so the next question is this one. F of s is equal to s plus 1 divided by s square plus s plus 1. I think the best method is to bring a perfect square in the denominator as you did, but maybe a different square. I can see that the s square plus s plus 1, if I want to make this as a perfect square, I need s square plus 2 into 1 into half. So this could be a s square plus s plus half. Uh, is maybe half, not half, I guess. It's a b square. Square should be half square, so it has to be 1 by 4, not this thing. Let's try now. 1 by 4. You are left out with 3 by 4. Okay, so s plus half whole square plus 3 by 4, or root of 3 by 2 square, correct? I'll write 3 by 4 as of now. Let me write it in the proper way. So this is equal to s plus 1 divided by s plus half the whole square plus root of 3 by 4, root is 2, yeah, square, s plus, yeah. Now anyway, that's why I told you don't worry about numerator, anything you can do that, right? So whatever is there, you will be able to simplify it even at a later stage. So because of that, now I'm going to write it in this way. So this is f of s is equal to, so this is s plus half, first term, plus half divided by s plus half the whole square plus root of 3 divided by 2 square, right? So we'll split that as s plus half divided by s plus half whole square plus root of 3 by 2 square, and then the next term should be plus half uh, into, or okay, that's fine, 1 divided by s plus half the whole square plus root of 3 by 2 square. Okay, so I know that since both term have s plus half, we can write the f of t directly. I'll take it out. Once I take that out, now every term is simply s. That's all. Okay, so s by s square plus root 3 by 2. Right? So that is first term is a cos of root 3t by 2. Then second term, there is 1 by 2, but I need a root 3 by 2. So I'll multiply and divide by root 3. So the multiplication will go into the Laplace inverse, right? And the division will come out 1 by root 3 times, right? This is sine. Let's verify this once. So we try to write it in this format first. Then uh, you see, I need a s plus a there. So the same thing, this s to be s plus 3 by 2 first. Then only I'll be able to write e to the power minus 3 by 2t. Correct? So convert that. Okay, you are taking 2 outside the numerator, is it? So if that is the case, this becomes s plus half, right? Add 1 and subtract 1. Okay. All right. So let me do that. So this is s plus 3 by 2 whole square minus root of 5 by 2 whole square. Okay. Now you said, so you are saying that you are going to write this as 2 times s plus 3 by 2. The 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, right? Okay, so divided by s plus 3 by 2 whole square minus of root of 5 by 2 square. All right, so I will take that. I'll directly write f of t. F of t is equal to, taking the Laplace inverse, I have e to the power minus of 3 by 2t coming out, and then I have Laplace inverse of the first term. What is the first term? It is uh, 2s divided by s square minus root of 5 by 2 square, first term, right? And even the second term is minus L inverse of, I have it 2 over there, divided by s square minus root of 5 by 2 whole square. Is it right? Okay. So what is the first term? First term is, it's okay. So you were not aware of what is this, right? So what is the cos hyperbolic function? Cos h of 80. You remember? Okay. Okay. Ah, it's fine, fine. Pretty much fine. Okay. So that is equal to e to the power minus 3 by 2t into, this is 2 times cos h of root 5t by 2, right? Minus, you see here, I need to multiply and divide by, uh, I have a, uh, I need a 2 in the denominator, right? So root 5 by 2 into, right? To cancel that, I'll write a 2 by root 5. Okay. So the 2 by root 5 will be used outside. So that is 2 into 2, 4 by root 5 times, this is sine h of root 5 by 2 is the required answer.